I made a video recently where I was looking for the location where this photograph was taken. It's a photograph of Ingrid Bergman having lunch on the set of the film The Inn of the Sixth Happiness, which was filmed in 1958. Most of the outdoor scenes were filmed here in Wales.
Mother?
Children, come down from there.
Today I'm making a follow-up to that video, because in the video I failed to locate the location. It turns out that I was very close to finding the location. It was only maybe 15 or 20 meters away from where I thought the photo had been taken. If you're not familiar with the film The Inn of the Sixth Happiness, it's based on a true story about Gladys Aylward, who was a missionary in China who led 100 children to safety from Japanese invaders. The events depicted in the film are largely historically correct, but in real life Gladys Aylward didn't have a love affair with a Chinese soldier. I would have liked to have visited Gladys Aylward's grave, but she's actually buried in Taiwan. Look at that view. This is Nant Francon, it's part of the Ogwen Valley. Many of the scenes from the film were filmed here. I found most of the locations. I thought I'd try and locate another 2 today, and then I'll take you to the spots where the photograph was taken. Finding the filming locations from the film has become a bit of a pet project for me over the last 2 years. I showed this spot in one of the previous videos I made about the film, because there's a photograph of Ingrid Bergman sitting on this rock here. This is a very scenic spot in the summer. Sometimes you forget how scenic it can be in the winter as well. It's a very dramatic landscape. There were a couple of scenes filmed along this stretch of road. I think I got pretty much all of them last time, but I've noticed recently I did miss one. I'll just show you that scene. Now I'm hoping that this tree still exists. Let's go and have a look. The scene was filmed here. Sadly, the tree that I just referred to is no longer there. But as you can see, this is the location. Weather conditions got a little bit serious there for a while. Making my way back in the direction which I came from now. The next location is maybe half a mile away from the one that I've just shown you. Now there's a stone bridge along here which appears in the film. I'll just show you the scene. Okay, this is the actual bridge. As you can see, it's been modified. They placed this timber structure on top of the stone bridge. So just go around here and you'll see that it matches up with the scene. Sadly, it's too cloudy to see the mountains in the background. If we go down here, you can see it's the same bridge. Actually, the clouds are starting to shift now, and you can see the mountains in the background.
I thought the big boys were carrying the pot.
They're playing a game. It is good that they're in high spirits.
I like to keep them that way, as long as we can.
3 more days, and our food is gone.
But here's the village, and I know the people will help us. We should be there in about 2 days.
I'll come back here when I make the next installment of the filming locations. Come here in better weather. As the scene is ending, the camera pans round like this. I'll line things up better when I come back here. There's no filming location along here. I'm just showing you because it looks cool. Okay, let's go and see the location where this photograph was taken. This is not the spot. Just stopping here because the sun came out. This is Llyn, Gwynant. Lots of films have been shot or partly shot in the Gwynant Valley here. This particular location, Tomb Raider 2, comes to mind. A couple of films about King Arthur have been filmed here. In the 90s they filmed the film Merlin here, which starred Sam Neill. More recently they filmed the Guy Ritchie film, King Arthur, Legend of the Sword. That film didn't do too well because they scrapped the franchise. It was supposed to be a trilogy. Also the film First Night, starring Richard Gere and Sean Connery. I might make a full video about that actually, about the filming locations. Okay, now I'll take you to the spot where the photograph was taken. It's only about a 10-minute drive from here. Okay, I'm back at the spot where I finished my search last time. Turns out that my logic was right and the photo was taken here, but not where I thought it was taken. Now I assumed that the photo had been taken down here. Just show you the photo, and I thought maybe this tree here was the tree in the photo. But the background didn't match up. Go back to the photo again. This bare rock here, I thought that that was part of this rocky outcrop. But I was looking at the photo completely wrong. It's a separate rock. And it's up here. 3 or 4 of you noticed this and left a message on the video for me. So thanks to everybody who did that, or I would have been looking for this place forever. The tree is gone, sadly. Just pan round here, and this is the rock that's in the photo. think this tree here is the tree that you can see behind Ingrid Bergman. The large tree in the photo seems to have been just in front of the rock, but it's no longer here. So I would say that Ingrid Bergman was sitting about here. There's a rock just behind Ingrid Bergman, and I think it must be this bit that's sticking out here. A closer look at this, you can see it matches up with the rock in the photo. I think this tree stump here might be the tree where you can see the horse behind it. I tend to post my videos on TikTok after posting them on YouTube. So if you're watching this on TikTok, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called ltjones. Rain's coming down now, so I'll end the video here. Thanks for watching.
It's a hard thing to know that your soul will stay hollow.